I'm Dave Jackson. I'm the Head of Operations at Company Shop Group in Leicester. We've been operating for more than 40 years now. We harness surplus through the supply chain, so that can be wrong products in the wrong place, over forecasting of products and everything in between. Our Leicester store and DC is the biggest investment that's been made by Company Shop in the last 10 years. It's an opportunity for us to grow into the south, and we're using WSL as our partner for the racking implementation ready for the opening of the distribution centre. The site itself is around 55,000 square foot and consists of a brand new store as well as a distribution centre. So as part of the sourcing and selection process for the racking, we looked at a number of partners. WSL were recommended to us by one of the consultants that's been working with Company Shop Group. They'd worked with them many times before on other projects, and it was clear once we started to go through the quotation process that WSL were very much a partner of choice for us in terms of the speed that they were able to turn around and the solutions that they offered.
My name is Sam. I'm Project Manager for Warehouse Systems Limited. My role is to ensure this project was delivered on time, in budget and to a high level of quality for the client. The idea of this particular unit was to have it as a distribution centre, so they wanted quite a high number of pallet spaces in order to feed other smaller stores in the area. On day one of the project, I'll ensure that all the materials are delivered, the plant's there ready for the installation team to start unloading the materials. On this particular project, 3 people were only required for this job. They're a well-established team that we've used. They're all friendly with each other, they all get on.
As we were developing the distribution centre, we came across a number of different options that we had in front of us. So we were working predominantly with an ambient warehouse originally. That's now included chill and frozen solutions as well. WSL were able to come back quickly in terms of our changing plans with new quotations, offering up solutions that we'd not necessarily always thought about. But the main thing was that WSL were always open, approachable and adaptable. Working with the site supervisor at the time, we had a live store working. So one of the challenges that we had was the construction of the DC whilst an operational store.
Some of the stock was in the way in the warehouse, so we had to sort of coordinate that around them, and they worked with us. We all worked as a team.
We had to move pallets effectively around a rebuilding of a warehouse. I think one of the main things that's impressed me about WSL was their speed to change and also their ability to stick to timescales. With this project that WSL came in about 30% quicker than what we were expecting. That pace means that we can start to distribute stock much quicker and we can work in terms of our growth plan much quicker as well.
This particular project has taken 10 working days to complete. We've completed it on time. My particular role, once the job has been complete, is to sign it off with the client and have a walk around.
I would 100% recommend WSL in the future. One of the key things was the quality of the workmanship and the product that we've had installed within Leicester. We are embarking on quite an aggressive growth plan over the next 3 years. That includes opening multiple DCs and other stores. I fully foresee that WSL will be part of that process going forward.